everyone, good evening. Tonight on Learn Tagalog, let's learn how to pronounce some of the words that I have posted on Learn Tagalog's Facebook wall. And tonight, let's learn how to say we said, I said, he or she said, and they said. I said, sabi ko. Sabi ko. Sabi ko. Sabi ko. I said. And for example, or halimbawa, I said, you're beautiful. Sabi ko, maganda ka. Maganda. Beautiful. Sabi ko, maganda ka. I said, you're beautiful. And next, if you want to say he or she said in Tagalog, sabi niya. Niya. Sabi niya. Niya. Say that again. Niya. Niya. Sabi niya. Niya is non-gender and could either be a he or a she. For example, you want to say, sabi niya, he said he loves you. In Tagalog, sabi niya, mahal ka niya. And if it's the girl and you want to say, she said she loves you. Sabi niya, mahal ka niya. Love, mahal. Sabi niya, mahal ka niya. He or she said she or he loves you. And sabi nila or they said. They said. Sabi nila. Sabi nila. Sabi nila. They said. For example, or halimbawa, they said you're nice. Sabi nila, mabait ka. Ma-ba-it. Mabait. Sabi nila, mabait ka. And last, sabi namin. We said you're nice. Sabi namin, mabait ka. Sabi namin, mabait ka. One more time. Sabi namin, mabait ka. So that's how you say, I said, she or he said, they said, and we said in Tagalog. Before I say bye-bye, let's have a review. To say I said, sabi ko. Sabi ko. And he or she said, sabi niya. Sabi niya. And they said, sabi nila. And last, sabi namin. Or we said. So, that's our Learn Tagalog for tonight. And I wish you guys a good night. Good night.